Research the market. Research the local real estate market, including current trends, property values, and rental rates. Understand your goals. Understand your investment goals and how they align with your overall financial plan. Network. Build a network of industry professionals, including real estate agents, mortgage brokers, and property managers. Be prepared for the long term. Real estate investments can take time to appreciate, so be prepared to hold on to the property for the long term. Be aware of the costs. Be aware of the costs associated with real estate investment, including closing costs, property taxes, and maintenance expenses. Stay informed. Stay informed about changes in the market and changes in local and national laws and regulations. Diversify. Diversify your real estate portfolio by investing in different types of properties, in different locations, and with different levels of risk. Consider the risks. Real estate investments can be risky, so make sure you have a thorough understanding of the risks involved and how to mitigate them. Get professional advice. Get professional advice from a real estate agent, a lawyer, and a financial advisor before making a decision. Keep learning. Keep learning about real estate investment and stay up to date with the latest trends and best practices to make better informed decisions.